Have you ever wandered through a field at night? It's like stepping into a different world where the darkness breathes life into the unseen. Tonight, we re-dive into how the fields come alive with the death and the other side of life. As the sun sets, the sounds of nature transform. Crickets chirp, owls hoot, and the rustle of leaves hints at creatures stirring in the shadows. This is the time when nocturnal animals emerge, showcasing the delicate balance between life and death. Predators hunt, while prey scurry to survive, reminding us that every moment is a dance of existence. The moonlight casts an ethereal glow, illuminating the beauty and mystery of this nighttime symphony. So, next time you find yourself in a field after dark, take a moment to listen and observe. What stories do you think the night holds? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more adventures into the wild.